Hello everyone, welcome back to LS6 Tech, and today I would like to unveil 8 hidden features of MS Excel. So let's start. The first feature is Flash Fill feature. It will be useful if you want to organize your disorganized data, and it will not take much time. So instead of filling each column, I will just type the number in the first column. If I want to organize the number, I will just type the number. And then in the data tab, I will click on Flash Fill or Ctrl+E, and it will automatically fill me all the columns. So instead of typing each column, I would just click on Flash Fill feature, and this will automatically fill me all the columns. So this is good. The second feature is Go to Specials feature. If I have that data and there are a lot of blank columns in it, so instead of selecting each blank column, I will just go to Specials and select each blanks, and it will automatically select me all the blanks, and then I will delete them. So it's easy. Let's head on to third feature. It is Custom Lists feature. In the options, if I go to Advanced, and in the Advanced, if I scroll down to the last, I will find an option, Edit Custom Lists. I will just click on that option. And in the custom list feature, I will import any custom list I want to set it to custom, and then I will import it and then OK it. And then if I type the first name of that custom list, and then I will drag that custom list, so it will automatically type me all the names that are saved in it, so it is good. The next feature is Custom Lists feature. For example, if I want to customize quick access, I will just click on quick access toolbar and then check the developer option. And it will give me some new features, but you will have to watch a separate tutorial for each feature to know what is that feature, how it works, so that you will know how to use that feature. But now it is good for now. Let's head on to feature number 5. It's autosave feature. It's very useful feature, and then I will go to options, and then in the options I will set the save time to 5 minutes, so that it will automatically save for me after every 5 minutes. The next feature is camera feature. It is not available by default, but I will show you how to get it. So I will show you how that works. For example, if I want to drag this column to another Excel sheet, I will just click on camera, it will snapshot me, and then I will drag it on the next sheet and it will automatically paste. Now I will show you how to get this feature. Just right click on the custom access toolbar and customize the ribbon. And in the customize, add a new tab. And in the new tab, add a new group, and commands not in the ribbon, you will find the camera option. Just click on that option and add it. And then OK it. And then you will find the camera option in the new group, so it is good. The next feature is select multiple feature. If I want to make changes to all the data sheets I have, I will hold on shift and then select all one, and then if I make change to any one of the sheet, the change will automatically be made on all the sheets. You can see it. So it good, it will not waste your time. So it is time consuming. The next feature is hide or unhide. For example, if I want to hide any column from someone, then I will just right click on it and hide it. So it is hide. So don't worry, you can also unhide it by just right clicking on it, and there will be another option of unhide, and you will automatically get it. So these were 8 hidden features of MS Excel. Hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I will meet you another tutorial. Till then, it's bye, and make sure to give your feedback.